Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to create a clean, modern vinyl subway tile design using Silhouette Studio, but you're not really sure where to start? Well, making a vinyl subway tile project is much easier than it looks. With the right steps, a few quick adjustments, and a little cutting and layering, you can make your wall, backsplash, or craft project look professionally done. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the whole process step by step, from designing the pattern in Silhouette Studio to cutting and applying it perfectly. So let's start making your project. First, pop the auto blade into Carriage 1 and put the punch tool into Carriage 2. Now, open up Silhouette Studio, head over to the Library tab and pick a design you want to use. Go ahead and resize that design so it fits nicely on your subway tile. In the page setup panel, make sure your machine is set to Cameo. Then click the cutting mat drop-down and set it to none. Next, choose your media size. Place your design on top left corner of the media and then switch over to Send panel. Under Tool 1, expand the menu and choose Vinyl from the material list. Double check that cut is selected. Set your blade to 2 and adjust the number of passes based on your vinyl. Now, under Tool 2, also select Vinyl as the material. You'll notice punch marks appear on your design. If you're planning to use the cross cutter, click the little settings icon in the bottom right corner. In the feed options, choose feed and then close the advanced settings window. Once that's done, you need to continue with the following steps on your cutting machine. Now, head over to your Cameo machine. Pull down the lever, adjust the roller to match your vinyl width and lock it back in place. Pull out the built-in roller feeder. Place your vinyl roll in, slide it through the feeder and line it up with the machine. Make sure both the rollers are gripping the vinyl. Then press load to feed it into the machine. Jump back to Silhouette Studio and hit send to start cutting. Once the cutting finishes, the vinyl will feed out to the back. Pull down the lock and run the cross cutters across to slide it cleanly. Don't forget to lift the lock back up afterward. Trim the extra vinyl and start weeding out your design using those punch holes. Take a piece of transfer tape, peel off the backing and place it right on the top of your vinyl. Press it down firmly with a squeegee and peel the backing away. Grab your subway tile, line up with the vinyl, and scrape it down so it sticks perfectly. Once everything is pressed down, peel off the transfer tape, and you're all done. Your tile is ready. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.